gaat nooit meer rennen. Hoe gaat hij dat doen? Oh, die rally die daar een mooie actie deed. Ongelooflijk. Die zit muurvast dik. Oh, hij heeft een tikkie gekregen. En daar is het Maximootje die het tempo gaat gelijk een gat van een meter 8-9.
So we've just finished the first race and we won. It's a great result after starting P12. I actually qualified second in a wet practice, but we got a penalty which we do not agree with, and I had to start P12. But I was able to drive from P12 to the win. So this trophy, this is one that I will cherish. This is a very, very beautiful victory. And after all the roller coaster that we've been on with the team, it's just so good also for the mechanics, for the guys, for Hans, for Rudy, for Aaron, for Koen, that we get actually the victory. It's the best answer to a penalty which was well, we don't agree with it.
Met de nummer 6 auto probeert er tussendoor te komen. Ja, maar zeker ook meteen waarom die deze race niet scoort. Want het let op dat het... Ja, daar gaat het volledig mis. De start nummer 1 gaat er achter tevoren.
So, second race at Assen. Well, after the joy of the first race, again I got a great start. So I went from 12th to 5th in 3 corners. It was an amazing start. And then the car in front of me, instead of well, taking the wins that he had gained, he tried a crazy move on the far right hand side of the track, on the right hand corner. Everybody who's racing knows that's not the line to take. So I had to slow down a bit more on the entry of the corner. And then the car behind me just didn't take anything into account and just went on the throttle and punted me off the track. So it was very, very disappointing. And then when I tried to rejoin, the car was vibrating so much that I couldn't properly continue. I had to come into the pits. The guys did a great job in fixing it, but then I was driving around in last. We finished the race. Now we're gonna check what's wrong with the car and go to prepare for Spa. Spa is the next race. It's in October. It's a legendary track and it will be great to drive this beautiful ND MX-5 at Spa. So I'm really looking forward to that. See you there.